Have you ever had that sinking feeling when you leave the house that you left a candle burning? My name is Kate with WTI, and that is no longer my problem thanks to this candle warmer from Cozmara. What I love about a candle is, first of all, that beautiful smell and then the warm glow, and I get both with this candle warmer. It comes with 2 light bulbs, so you get a replacement. All you have to do is plug it in and turn it on. You can easily adjust the brightness level, and you can also set a timer for 2, 4, or 8 hours. I honestly find myself running this all day. I turn it off before bed, but I love having that candlelight glow. I just find it so pretty. It's also height adjustable, so it can be used for different candle sizes. And the warmer itself is really beautiful. It has that walnut base and the black shade, very modern and stylish. I've been melting the same candle for several weeks and it's barely made a dent, so nothing like when you actually light it with a flame. This is perfect if you have pets or children, or if you're just forgetful. So I definitely think you'll love this simple solution, and that's my point of view.